Today we are on a walk in the infamous forest near my house. I don't know if the lighting's pretty good. It's pretty dark in here, and there's sun rays coming in and out. But we are walking right now. As you can see, it's like a pretty awesome sauce right now. Pretty lovely weather right now. There you go, better lighting. Pretty nice. It's a Sunday. I didn't work today. Actually, I did work, but there was supposed to be like an event today, like a flea market thingy, but they canceled it. And so I had put in sick hours. And now here I am enjoying my day because I couldn't go to that, so I have to enjoy another way. So nice outside right now. It's like pretty yummy weather, if I might say. We came across what it seems to be like a public bathroom toilet. This is like if you're in an emergency and you really need to use the bathroom, come right here, take a big fat dookie. And the good thing is that there's so many types of leaves around to clean your ass, so you don't have to worry about like, oh shoot, there's no toilet paper in here. Just like grab one and just wipe your cheeks. You go on with your walk. Lovely. Got some raspberries, some natural raspberries. My family and I actually used to back then pick these, even though some people say like it's not the best, you get sick from like diseases and stuff, but I don't know if that was true. But yeah, we'd pick these and make like smoothies and eat them and put them on our pancakes and stuff. It's more over here. Where you going? Where you going? Come back. Oh man, they should have seen that bro. Actually got very close to me. There he is. Oh, he's right there chilling. That's the boy, Eugene. Like he actually got very close to me. Maybe he smelled my aura. Maybe he smelled. Maybe I'm just because I haven't showered. I'm probably just so musty that he probably thought it was like some food or something, like fish. I don't know what to do tomorrow. I'm pretty stumped. Someone seriously took a dookie in the forest. I need to find out who did this. This is unacceptable. Not in my forest. Like, they quite literally took a dookie. Like, they literally wiped their bottom here and just left their white paper, poopy papers here. Disgusting!